Hey everyone, I'm Chef Jed, the executive chef here at PS Seasoning and Pro Smoker. In this video, I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks for making great summer sausage. Tip number 1, keep your meat really cold during the grinding process. What I like to do after I cut up my meat getting ready for the grinder is to throw it in the freezer for about 20 minutes to get a good chill on it. Keeping the meat temperature down during the grinding process is going to help with your protein extraction, and it's also going to avoid fat smearing. These are two factors that affect the final texture of your summer sausage. Tip number 2, pair your smoke flavor with the flavor profile of your sausage. Smoke flavor in your sausage matters, so we want to make a complementary profile to match the sausage. Something like using mesquite with a jalapeno summer or a hardwood blend with the classic German summer are examples of complementary flavor profiles. Tip number 3 is blooming. After smoking your sausage and dropping it in an ice bath to cool rapidly, we want to bloom. This is a process where we will hang our sausage at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours. This allows flavor to fully develop and create a final product that is worth waiting for. For more information on summer sausage making, head to psseasoning.com. And you can always check us out on all forms of social media. If you like this video, subscribe for more content. Till next time, I'm Chef Jed. Thanks for watching.